Solitaire Cache uses your phone's system keyboard, so when the keyboard does not appear, the problem can come from the app, the keyboard app, or the phone's input settings. By the end, you'll know which settings to check on Android and iPhone, and what to do when Solitaire Cache still refuses to show the keyboard. Start by closing Solitaire Cache completely and opening it again. If you are entering a username, invite code, support message, or other text, return to the same field and tap inside it again. If the keyboard appears after reopening the app, the issue is temporary. If nothing happens, test the keyboard in another app. Open Messages, Notes, or another app with a text field and tap where you normally type. If the keyboard also fails there, Solitaire Cache is probably not the main problem. Check your phone's keyboard settings instead. On Android, open Settings and search for Keyboard. On-screen keyboard or default keyboard. Make sure an on-screen keyboard is enabled and that a default keyboard is selected. If you use Gboard, open its settings and check that Gboard is enabled. You can also open the Play Store, search for Gboard, and install an available update. On iPhone, open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard. Check the installed keyboards and make sure the keyboard you normally use is still available. If you recently changed keyboard settings, switching back to your normal keyboard can help identify the problem. Next, restart your phone. A restart reloads the keyboard service and can fix a temporary input problem affecting multiple apps. If the keyboard works everywhere except Solitaire Cache, update Solitaire Cache through Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. After updating, close the app completely and launch it again. Android users can also clear the Solitaire Cache cache. Open Settings, select Apps, find Solitaire Cache, choose Storage or Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache. Avoid selecting Clear Data unless you understand what information may be removed from the device. If the keyboard still does not appear, test a different text field inside Solitaire Cache. If one field opens the keyboard but another does not, the problem may be limited to that particular screen or input field. The fastest way to narrow this down is simple. Test your keyboard in another app first. If it fails everywhere, fix the phone's keyboard settings. If it works everywhere else, update Solitaire Cache, restart the app, and clear its cache on Android. Start with the keyboard test before changing other settings. It tells you whether the problem is with Solitaire Cache or your phone's input system. If this fixed the Solitaire Cache keyboard problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache fixes.